this rain, bro. It would be Florida, man. It would be Florida. Alright, let me just run outside right quick. Oh, no. Damn, bro. Damn, bro. Oh, okay. Alright, that's what I'm gonna do. And them boys came in clutch. That's lit. Alright, let me call them boys on the phone right quick. Call them boys on the phone. 485025756. Alright, let me see. Tell me. They unlock phones? Okay. Cell phones, Apple Watches, computers and laptops, tablets.
Good afternoon, Smith. How can I help you?
Hey, how much do you guys charge for your pair of iPhone 7? It's rose gold and it's a white screen.
Well, is it just the screen that's broken or what's happening?
It recently just fell and I can't see anything on the screen anymore. So I'm thinking most likely it's the screen.
Oh man, that sounds like the LCD might be shattered, bro. But yeah, it's actually we only charge about $80 if you want to get a repair.
Okay, do you guys have appointments or do you only do walk-ins?
Well, actually, you can just walk right in.
Okay, I really appreciate you, man. Also, I found your card on my door, by the way, just to let you know.
Oh, really? Okay, awesome.
Yeah.
Awesome. Sounds good, man. Sounds good, bro.
Alright, I'll be coming in like 15-20 minutes, alright? Most likely right now, because I gotta get this phone up and running for business. This is my store phone.
Okay, sure. If you have any problem getting here, you can Google us. We're Google Phone Smith Plantation, and it should bring you right here to us.
Okay, no problem. I really appreciate you, bro. Really appreciate you. I'll be there now.
Not a problem. See you soon, bro.
Got you. Close at 8. Great service, splendid time. Okay, all the reviews are saying nothing but yeah, so let's go. Hey, what's up, man? I just spoke to you over the phone.
Alright, welcome. Yeah, you're the guy with the 7.
Yeah, it's a rose gold, man. This just happened to me just now. It's crazy. It's ridiculous.
Wow. Took a bad fall.
Yeah, alright.
It's kind of wet.
I'm telling you. You wanna use my rack?
Oh yeah, sure. Thanks.
Appreciate you.
All right, yeah. Just fill this out for me, and
alright,
have you out of here in 15 minutes.
15? Oh, you serious?
Yeah.
Damn, Apple would have took like 6 hours. That's ridiculous.
Yeah, that's the difference between Apple and us.
Nah, I don't blame you. What's the quality on your parts, if you don't mind me asking?
Well, they're high quality parts, man. We spend a lot of money on our parts, and we make sure that they're nice and durable, and
I got you. What's the warranty, if you don't mind me asking?
Well, it's a 60-day warranty, all parts and labor.
Okay. That's nice.
You know, as long as the the screen isn't damaged at all, we'll change it out for you.
No problem. Appreciate it. Alright. I seen you guys have a lot of splendid Google reviews. Like, I see a lot of positive reviews. I don't see no negative. I try to actually look for one.
Yeah,
you know what today's date is, if you don't mind me asking? What's today's date?
Today is the 25th.
25th? Alright.
Of May.
Alright, appreciate it, man. And you said only 80, right?
Yeah, it's only $80.
That's crazy. Apple would have charged like 169 plus tax.
Yeah. Unfortunately, that's something that they do.
Alright.
Over here, man, I promise, man, we got the best parts.
Okay.
And we're the fastest guys to do it.
Alright. Do you have any smaller cars? Because I want to pass them around if you don't mind me.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, I have a few back behind here.
Okay. Appreciate you, bro. One in my wallet, man. One in my wallet right quick. Yeah. Alright, so you said 15 minutes. I can use the PS4?
Yeah, absolutely. That's for customers, for everybody, you know. So just have fun.
Appreciate you, man.
Hey man,
Yo, what's up, brother?
the device is ready.
15 minutes for real. You probably took less. It's like 12, 10.
Yeah, we're pretty quick at this stuff.
Nah, that's good. That's good. All right. So, how do I pay?
However you like, cash, credit.
You said it's only 80, right?
Yeah, it's only $80.
No problem. I'll give you the cash. You know what, man? Keep the change. It's 20, 40. Keep the change, brother. I really appreciate your service, man.
Awesome, man. I appreciate it, bro.
Nah, no problem. It's a service. I really appreciate you, dog.
Thanks, man.
What's your name?
Walt.
My name is
like
Mark.
Disney.
Nice to meet you, bro.
You as well.
No problem.
Appreciate you coming in. Hey, if you like our service and you happy with the work that we've done, give us a Google review.
Run me through it right quick, if you don't mind.
Yeah, sure.
So I just type in Phonesmith at the top, if I'm correct. Am I correct?
Yeah, Phonesmith is the business.
All right, no problem.
Yep, that's us.
And then how do I give the review on the iPhone?
Well, you just scroll down, hit this drop down blue button, and just stroll until you find
The stars.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna give y'all 4.
Okay, that's fine.
Nah, you full of shit, man. All right. Enjoyed the experience.
Man, you don't have to do it here, man. You can do it at your home, at your own leisure, bro.
Oh, I got you. Really appreciate you again, Walt. My name is Mark. Nice to meet you, man. No problem. Appreciate you. No problem. All right, back to business.